What is up, everybody? Back with another video. Today we're doing something different. Something a little bit different. Rather than trading live account or an evaluation that I've been doing recently, today we're going to stream a competition that takes place on Tradingview's platform. The competition is called The Leap. It just started on May 1st and it runs the whole month. And what's cool about it is that you can trade different assets, and that's the kind of experience I want to get. I've been trading the NASDAQ for a while, and the EMS too, the micros, and basically have not been exploring other products or other instruments. And today I get a chance to do that throughout this competition for this whole month. We're going to be doing the competition itself. We got $250,000 in balance, paper money. Always, of course, remember that this is not financial advice. But we will be trading different instruments today. And since we have 250,000, we're gonna go nuts. Now we're gonna take calculated trades, see how much we can extract. If we end up profitable at the end of the competition, we'll get 1 free month of Tradingview subscription. I believe it's free to join. I joined and they didn't charge me any money, so I believe it's a free competition. But I would not be surprised if I get a bill at the end of the month. But in any case, it is free, and you do have to have a subscription with them to join, a paid subscription. And what's cool about it, like I said, you got different instruments. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana for the crypto markets. For the Forex, you got the euro and the US dollar. You got gold for commodities. What else you got? There's 6 of them. I mentioned gold, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, euro for the US dollar, and one more. The SPX 500 USD index. So plenty of products, 6 products that you can trade. We'll be starting with Bitcoin first. We got the 5-minute chart. So we're gonna dissect it a little bit, see what we can do today. This is the high we've been. Actually, this high and this low. Well, scratch that. Let's go back further into this one here. We're gonna call this our origin, because we have been, of course, going down on the long time frame, bigger time frame. And even though it's pretty kind of uneven, or looks like consolidation, of course, if we zoom out, you'll see that it's coming down gradually. You see? Gradually, but still consolidating a bunch. We got this low here to worry about. So let's see, this is April 11. So that's a little too far back, but this, I like this high here. So we're gonna mark that. So the swing point from this low to this high. Okay, and actually, before we get going, let's do the disclaimer, which okay, here. How do I get out of that? I'm not used to this platform as much as the other platforms, so it's also a good way for me to get experience on this. Oh boy. There we go. So let's see if we're live, by the way. Okay, we're live. So, disclaimer, the content presented in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The views and opinions expressed are solely those of the creator and should not be construed as financial advice. The creator does not sell any products or services, nor is affiliated with any of the trading platforms or tools mentioned. Trading involves risk and is not suitable for all investors. It is important to conduct your own research or consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. The creator assumes no responsibility for any losses or damages arising from the use of this content. Back to business. We got that low and that high, made a swing point, 50%, rejected down. Then we got this low here put in, which was the top of the 50% with this high. I'm gonna call this this one here. Okay. Price went consolidated for a bunch of time in that range, getting a little bit out of the range, getting a little bit out on both sides. So first breaking the lows, the highs, then breaking the lows, and then breaking the highs again, and then breaking the lows eventually, and this is where we are. So definitely a lot of volume in that area for the 5-minute chart. A lot of volume. So, and this high is what, 67,000. So it's a big range. It's a big range. Those two ranges, by the way, because there's two ranges there. Oh. We got these two ranges, and then we got this low put in. By this high. So this is our protected high here. Meanwhile, you made this low and this high, and we're trying to trade above it. Probably gonna be a short, actually. Probably gonna be a short. Now that I'm considering what's going on. A short from this area, back to this area here, back to the 56,000, you know, as much as it hurts me to see Bitcoin fall down, as is my favorite thing in the world for various reasons. As it pains me to see that, still I am bearish at the moment. What levels do I think are probably going to be the lowest? Probably going to be 51 all the way down here before we see a huge rejection and then a continuation of the bullish trend, which is actually what's going on, even though we are, you know, correcting right now. So that's the 5-minute chart. I think we'll get out of this area, break the high, but fail to break this high here, the 60,000. Unless we're really bouncing from here, in which case we'll take a look at the daily. We got, of course, the all-time high, sitting at 74,000 almost, 73 something. Price has been dropping, but a range was created, a huge range here. So we could call this the inducement area, back to a place where it's going to be a manipulation than the expansion to the upside. I believe either this or this S&D zones will give us a huge reaction to the upside, but not here where we are with all these imbalances. There's definitely going to be some manipulation of the areas, probably going to go up to here, about 62,000, and then revert if we are in a bullish, you know, long time frame reversal, which is possible for considering what it's been doing. But look how much it was mitigated coming down from the areas, and as the mitigation went on, price did trade lower in all of these, you know, we could say manipulations, you know, this one, this one, this one. Even this one brought the price lower. Of course, it was a huge bear candle, huge, and that was one day. Wow, that was the one day that it kind of crashed from 68 all the way down to 57. Short-lived though, it was just a wick for the day. So a lot of people probably got liquidated. Big manipulation of the, probably was that day, Wednesday, let's see, Tuesday, March 5th. I think wasn't there some news about Bitcoin? Was it 6 or 5? 6, right? This is March 6th. March 7. Well, who knows? But there was a huge manipulation there. That range is so big, and we tapped back into the 50% and dropped from this range. So if we consider this range, I'm going to delete this in a bit, but just for now. Oh no, that's not the range. The range is this candle to this candle here. So one candle range. 50% is about here. Get the rejection downwards. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna wait to see what it does in the near future. I mean, not near future, but in the upcoming short-term future, I guess. This candle, let's see how big it gets. On the daily, we have this fractal that's probably going to push price downwards. So if we are remaining bearish, a tap there and then a short. But right now we are going up, so we cannot place a trade on something we're not sure about, or just because we have an idea. And that's the thing with this type of trading now. You know, I'm getting used to just taking profits for the day in day trading. This competition requires a little more diligent investment type of trading. I can execute any trade I want, but there are no rules as far as I could tell. I read all the terms and services, and it doesn't seem to be any rule against holding positions overnight. Or what I actually read was that if you have any positions open by the end of the competition, they'll be closed. That's the only thing I could come up with, or find out about whether it's a day trading competition where you have to close your positions at the end of the day, or if you can just hold the positions and keep taking profit. I'm assuming you can. If we go to the, let's see, if you look at the leaderboard, this guy had about 7,000 last night. So his positions, what I would like to know, whether this is closed orders or like, realized profit or not. And it probably is, because it says profit. I would be surprised if it wasn't realized profit, but instead open profit. So we probably are out of our league against these guys for sure. There's prize money for all these guys, the first 5 places, and of course there's other than cash prize for the 5 people on the bottom of the first 5. But yeah, 25,000, 10,000, really good price cash money for those that are gonna win this thing. I of course have 0.001 of winning this competition, chance of winning this competition percentage wise, but no, it's gonna be a good experience nonetheless. And I get to see all my results, trade a different way that I've been trading. So very good for my development as a trader. Okay, so that's where we are with Bitcoin. We're gonna let that run and see if we can take a trade. Unfortunately, I have to go one tab at a time with this platform, so I cannot have all the instruments all in one. I tried. You have to pay a hefty price for that. So let's see. Yeah, I really would like to short from here. I don't believe we're done going down. We're gonna hit this, but I'm gonna wait to see the reversal on the lower time frame. Of course, this is the day, so very long time frame. But let's say we got the 30-minute. See what's going on. Was trying to look like a flip. Actually, this is where you short from. Okay, not yet. We're gonna wait for the confirmation of the flip, but to me it seems like an area. Okay, let's do this. Let's place an order. This way we also get used to placing orders on this platform. So yeah, limit order. Okay. $41,000? What is this? Oh, 0.629. We do have limits of how much we can trade. And let me see. For Bitcoin, we can only trade up to 0.35 Bitcoin. Let's see how much that is. That's $20,692. Okay, so let's say we want to bet $5,000 on this pullback to the downside. $2,000, how much Bitcoin would that be? About 0.35 is $2,000. Okay, so we're gonna do one-tenth the size of what they're saying we should aim for. And then the price, we're gonna go with a little bit higher price, maybe 59,121. What? Oh, right now it's sitting at, what is it sitting at? There's a timer, but it's 59 something. Let's see. I don't know what I just did there, but well, we're sitting at you know, the close is 59.33, something like that. 33. So let's say 59. Or 32. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, there's my order. I don't want it to get hit though, so quick. Can I move this? I can. There we go. Okay. So I want it to hit if it breaks this low here. Well, we'll wait. We'll wait, but we know what we're trying to do. We're trying to short this baby here. Maybe this S&D responsible for the right here. So, yeah, this one right here. So we'll put a stop loss there. And then we're gonna take the profit. Yeah, it's gonna go lower now if it does span out. Take our profit here. Yeah, can't believe I'm shorting Bitcoin. All right. Now stop loss. Let's do this right here. And then our stop loss would be here. and it'll show us how much risk that is and stuff. Let's see. So minus 22 bucks of price. Wait, minus 20 bucks. 59.8. 59.8. What is this? Okay, 57,000 ticks. Oh shit. I don't know what that is. Oh, because each tick is like a penny. So that's 5,000. 5,700 bucks. I don't know. Take profit 4%. Yeah, because each tick is 1 penny. So that's, oh, okay, it's 500 bucks over there. No, 200 bucks. Okay, 260 bucks. No, 2,000. Yeah, okay, 2,600 versus a stop loss of 5,800 bucks. Something like that. Because of the position size, which is 35 cents. Not 35 cents. 0.035 Bitcoin. All right, so let's leave that there. If it does break and we lose this trade, we can consider coming back down to the 50% of this area before shooting up. We would have to break these highs though. Look at that rejection. Because I was thinking of putting my limit order here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take another limit order. And go lower with this one. Let's say 58. Oh, come on. Probably gonna get triggered here. For some reason I cannot move this. This one I can move. How come I can't move this one? Oh, because it's taken? Yeah. little too early to take the order. I mean, we are in that high and with full candles. So no reason really to short it there, but I was just trying the order. Couldn't move it when it got filled. So I guess I should have just placed it farther away to be able to move it. Hold the shift key to drag the entire group. Shift. I don't know what that is. All right, we're learning as we go. So let's look at Ethereum. So yeah, what's going on with you guys, huh? No one's here, so I can just be quiet and trade like I like it. If there were people watching, I'd be entertaining them, you know? No, this is not it. There we go. You know, if Bitcoin's going down, it begs to, oh, this one looks, well, could be a flip. Nah. Jeez, could it be a flip? I mean, we are ranging. We broke the lows. That's why I keep thinking that we're going lower. And there's definitely, I would call it uncertainty in every market. 2024 is an uncertain year, you know, if you were to ask me. Not that you have asked me, but okay, let's look at the daily on Ethereum. Let's see if we can map it out. Okay. We're still bullish, like I said, you know. The highs were 47,000. That's when? That's in November 21st. So same bull run as Bitcoin. Got the drop, break of the lows, huge break. This area holds, or it's not vindicated yet. Went up, broke the high here. Went down, never broke the lows, except for this one. So that's an important low. That swing point there. Price tap out of it. Is it dragging Bitcoin down, Ethereum down? I would think so. I think this area needs to be mitigated. 1,000, you know, Bitcoin's going down, you know, everybody's hyping in. We have the halving, so a lot of people, oh, I should buy, but wait, you want to buy, that means people are selling. And some people have been acquiring Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything for the past 5 years, or you know, three years that we've been out of the bull run, collecting Bitcoin, you know, and actually this winter, the crypto winter wasn't as long as previous winters, right? We had the bull run of 2020, 2021, Then we have another bull run in 2023, 2024. So it begs to question whether Bitcoin is going up to pass those highs anytime soon. I probably would guess that our range is way lower. On the Bitcoin would be about 51,000. I don't really keep up with Ethereum much, but for the little bit that I do, 1800 does not seem outrageous to think that the price might go all the way down there. And we are making lower highs and lower lows. So a short is still my bias. I'm gonna go with the trend. We got the high. All the way down here is the low, but we're gonna take this unmitigated area here. On this one, I do like it ranging all the way maybe up here. So maybe a sell order here, a tap and then down. I doubt we're gonna break the highs anytime soon. This is the daily. So as far as today placing an order, we'll see what we can come up with. I don't like it as much as I like Bitcoin for the short, given that we're very low and we just broke these lows, and not even broke them yet, just random. So we might get a pull up. Ethereum is tricky because it's also kind of a favorite of people who start in this space, even though I would argue that most people that own cryptocurrency own Bitcoin rather than Ethereum. Market cap says it all. I would guess that the newbies, the people who are just kind of FOMOing in and not really know about the technology or anything, but they just buy Ethereum as a name, a household name, to hold and, you know, get profits. Those people, I would guess that Ethereum is a juicier proposition because the prices are lower, and so in the mind, because it's not real, but in the mind, the entry is so much lower. So it seems like the potential could be a lot bigger. I disagree. I actually think I'd rather have 0.0001 Bitcoin than 0.1 or 1 Ethereum. But that's just me. That's just me, because I know how to use it. I know I've dealt with hardware wallets. I've dealt with the technology itself, and Ethereum is a little more complicated. It's a platform for smart contracts as well, and an application platform for the crypto blockchain technology type coins, and so whereas it has a strong argument for technology and the way forward in this crypto sphere, you know, what the evolution of crypto is through Ethereum rather than Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin's more raw, strong security. The fact that you can't program Bitcoin the way you can program Ethereum makes it a lot safer. I'm gonna dare say the word safer in terms of privacy and anonymity and security, autonomy. And because of that, I consider Bitcoin a better asset class, if we can consider them asset classes, right? Because it's just code, it's just technology, it's just programmable money, something that we've never seen before. But you know, people are trading it like a stock. So there you go. You know, There you go. Enough said. So let's go to the, I'm trying to figure out what else to get out of this chart, but I think I'd rather do some schematics on the lower time frames, because this is pretty clean. I mean, you got a drop with lower lows, lower highs. So if we go to the, let's say 2 hours, 2-hour chart. Yeah, I mean, I still think bearish. So here we go. Got this high put in. Okay, let's do something else. Let's do, oh, shoot. We got this high, this swing point here. Let's say this one here. This high, this low was a range that we came out of. We came out of making a new high, breaking the high, all the way to 3,700, sorry, from the dip, right? So the dip happens. We got all these pullback rejections, went as low as we could, broke the structures to the left on the high side. Everybody thinks this is it. This is it. To the moon again. To the moon being here. 39,000, 3,900. Or even here, 40,000, 4,000. I'm still thinking of Bitcoin. 4,000. So we got this range that gave us the big yes, hooray, and the big nope after. Then, of course, went and tapped back exactly twice, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, giving everybody drops. Drop, 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 drop. So what's gonna happen next? Drop. I don't even think we're gonna make it all the way up there. I don't even think we're gonna make it all the way up there. This is, in my opinion, this looks like this. This area. Oh, look at this. Look at this huge swing point here. Okay, I need battery. 1 second, guys. Must have battery. Well, I'm also gonna get some coffee. Be back. Okay, we're back. So yeah, okay, let's look at the, oh, left my door open. Yeah, we can anticipate another drop here. Pretty clean flip looking structure, but again, I believe we're going down. $30.95. The same for this highs here. Well, let's see how the Bitcoin position is doing. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to play out. Maybe shorter, but more leveraged or more risk type of trading. Let's go to the gold. It's gonna be Where is it? Yeah, it's gonna be a tough stream today, guys. Tough, because I'm not used to this platform. There's so many little intricacies about it. Why didn't it? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's see. XUA. It's not XUA, it's XUA. There we go. Gold. There we go. Gold US. Choose this. Come on. There we go. Okay. Gold looks like it's coming on a flip to go higher. Got the bullish trend. Made a high, protected high here. Brought us, oh no, the unprotected. So yeah, this probably long gold for the short time frame. Just get it up to here before trading lower. If it does trade lower, stop loss below. On gold, our limit would be, oh, what did I do on the Ethereum here? Oh, it's 1 Ethereum. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, I gotta check something real quick. All right, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna long gold. Week, say. You got the high and the low here. Tap into the 50%, dropped. This could be our target. Maybe here, this S&D. If we're going higher, it does look like we might leave from here. We got this confirmation. The fact that it went up from here, then lower, then higher than the high. So continuation up before a bigger drop. So this kind of could be a leg up, not a leg, but a correction, and then a leg up, leg down to further down. Yeah, so let's see. Place a trade. One, what is it? Not an ounce, but a ton of gold? No, it's an ounce. Troy ounce. Okay. So 1 troy ounce is 22,96,000. 2,296. Well, at the moment is 2298. I guess we're in the trade. And I did not mean to do that, actually. I just sold, but I did not want to do that. So I'm gonna get out as soon as it goes in my favor, which it probably will for a bit. BTC is going well. No, I didn't mean to short there. I wanted to short lower here, but we could leave up from here. So bad trade. Trying to get used to this platform. Oh boy, this could be bad. Let's put our stop loss here. Cannot place a oh, it was a market order. A little one-to-one. We'll see if it plays out. I doubt it, but I mean, I do still think we're going lower, but we might, I mean, sorry, higher. That's why I wanted to buy here. Why am I selling? Ugh. All right, whatever. We're probably gonna get taken. I don't want to lose too much here, so right there. All right, that one's not gonna play out. Woo, we're learning. Then let's go back. Let's go to the euro. Yeah, my stop loss was hit on the gold. Oh well, I did not mean to do that. It's probably a good long. It's probably a good long there, but we'll come back to it. Interesting here. I'm gonna short the euro. Did it get executed again? It's a limit order though. I don't get it. Okay, we got our order for the euro. We got Solana. Tether. We're shorting everything except Solana, maybe. Look at this. Looking more like a flip on Solana. Back to 50%. Up higher. Likely. According to structure, we left this unmitigated area though. 5-minute chart. Price might drop there again. So we're at the top of the range, but it could also leave from here. Okay, we'll wait for that to play out. I know nothing about Solana, except it's a crypto coin. That's all it's got going for it. We're just following market structure, the way we've learned. No matter what instrument, same stuff. Top, pull up, run. Is it a break? Yeah, break. Is it? No, no break. All right. This markets don't move as much as what we're used to, you know? Yeah, my euro trade is awful. I think I anticipated the short too much. There was really no reason. We're still $5 in profit. I think my Bitcoin order is actually playing out well. I'm thinking of getting out of the Solana, of the euro. Okay. There we're dropping. For Solana, 140 Solana is the maximum we can take. Oh, that's unfortunate. Is it? Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. Look at that. I'm gonna trail it down. All right, what kind of profit is that? Back to break even, huh? Well, I should have taken my profit. That was generous. Could still play out. Likely we hit our stop loss though. Engulfing candle for sure. On the downside. On the lower time frame, 1 minute, you can see a big engulfing candle. Can't see it on the 5 minute. All right, we'll let this one play out. We'll increase our take profit. And let's move on. So let's just watch it for a bit. Back up, huh? Did run the low. So we might head it down. Might be headed down. But maybe it'll take me before it does. Shorting everything in this May 2nd of 2024. Short, 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 short. Here we go. Okay, we'll leave that there. That's actually not, I'm not mad about this trade. You know, trading here versus futures is so different because in futures, you just calculate the movement and every movement is the same amount of profit. But when you're buying different price assets and you're looking for the differential, you have to figure out how many units of the thing you're willing to bet, and it's hard to tell what the profit is going to be on each trade, or the loss for that matter. Like that one trade on the euro was only $7 $6.50 loss, and that includes the fee. So hard to tell what the trades are going to do. I'm going to have to get used to that, which is good for me. Get to learn another type of market. I've been just trading futures for the past 6 months and getting pretty comfortable with that. But now that we're out of our element, it's a good opportunity for us to learn. That's fine. If it doesn't go our way, that's fine. We'll get in later. It might go from here. I mean, it is bullish at the moment. We have confirmations of bullish action. We got the run of the flip. I just thought maybe it gets down to the 50% before it leaves up, but it could leave up first, then down again, then up again, and so on. So it could be a range, and we're at the top of the range. That's why I figure shorting is a good idea. But the trend is bullish, so might just take me pretty soon, actually. Yep, it just did. $138.70. So a break even. We're still good on the Bitcoin one. There might be another opportunity to short here with a better entry, but we'll wait. Let's check out. So we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, gold. Can I just make my favorite page here? All right, let's do this. Symbol. Symbol, this name? Oh. So we start with SPX, this one. Then gold. No, actually, well, which one's first? Let's see. So first is, oh, euro US dollar first. All right, we'll switch that in a bit. And then SPX. We already added that, right? Oh, there we go. Euro, US, SPX, gold, BTC, Ethereum, and Solana. There we go. We got our symbols ready to go now. Ooh, our order hasn't been filled yet, but this is the Euro one. That was awful trade. Could still play out. I mean, this could be the barrier, but it's likely that we go lower. I mean, higher, sorry. It's likely that we'll go higher. So, oh well. I actually wanted to long the Euro here. That was my goal. And for some reason, I put a market sell order, which was the worst type of order I could have taken, as you can see. But I was just learning. I'm learning the software and stuff. It's not too much of a loss. Our account is not that bad, doing that bad. Let's look at Bitcoin, what's going on there. That's where we're doing good. Look at that. We caught that nice short there, right at the top. That's a good trade right here. This is a really good trade. We were able to catch the top kind of by luck because we were here when it happened. Ethereum. Let's see what we can do with Ethereum. Again, we'll short because that's what's going on. We'll see if this holds. We definitely have an S&D here, or an unmitigated area that we can leave up from, especially after running this high. We did not run the one that would make us bullish, so we're still bearish. Yeah, I would suspect price wants to go down here. Big manipulation candle too. Where is the order? -1 Ethereum. Yeah, but that's no profit. We have to really go for more. Ethereum, you can put up to 7 Ethereum in one order.
Who do you want to message?
Oh boy. Stop, Siri. What the heck? I didn't call you.
Okay.
Dang. She was loud. Hmm. Oh, it's changing. It's changing from the euro to the... Jeez. It's Ethereum. I'll make this bigger. Hmm. So this one's at 129.82. Okay, so 29.92. Take profit, stop loss, limit. Limit 5, cancel. Limit 1, cancel. Stop loss, take profit, stop loss. Okay, limit. Bitcoin 1. Okay. Oh, I like futures so much more than this. I definitely do. It's just so much easier. I always thought before I started trading, I was like, futures seems complicated, but it's a lot cleaner in my opinion than options or even stock or Forex. Well, Forex probably about the same kind of trading as futures. Similar. I guess they're all hard in their own way, but just the fact that you have to figure out how much you're going to make on each movement, that's the hard part for me. And what a position increase of the unit means to each contract. Whereas in this, you have a lot more room to play with how much you're willing to risk and how much you're willing to take. And I doubt that this is a double bottom. I more likely see that this is a double top and then run the lows. All right, we'll let it play out. We'll let it play out. I don't think this is a flip. I think it's a continuation to the downside. All right, we'll leave that there. Okay. The euro is now looking like a flip. Kind of bearish. There we go. That's our protected high in case we go up. Let's see what happens here. Oh man, I didn't catch that little flip. That mean that little move, but that's okay. Still believe in the trade. Just here to the S&D responsible. Shorting everything today. Okay, so we got a euro. We got Bitcoin. That's an SPX. That's the one we haven't done. Double bottom. Let's not forget that we're coming from below, so this would be our greener area. Well, this might be a good long actually. SPX. The limit for SPX is 12. Pretty hefty contract, 5,000 bucks each, or stock, whatever it is. You can sell the rejection here. We've been peeking out of the zone, but maybe we're not going to do that again. Maybe we'll come down, run the lows. We'll wait a little bit to see if we do break. Getting rejected right there. They're all the contracts going to one. We are running the high, so that's not a good. But well, actually, we haven't thus far. Be a double top. Wait, like a small one. All right, we'll let it play out. Gold. 27. No, that's not a good entry. Is it? A day in the life. All right. Bitcoin. Still doing good on Bitcoin. Ethereum. And Solana. That's the only one we need to place a trade on. Ooh. All right, we'll wait for this one. That will be the last trade of the day, and see how it all plays out. Then after placing this trade, I will double check every trade and see how much profit I want to take. I have 4 positions. I'm missing one. Oh, one of them must have gotten filled. Let's see which one. This one. Were we trying to short or long here? Probably we were trying to short. We hit our stop loss. We bought. Yeah, we were trying to short. Yeah. We had a very tight stop loss on this one. I still think bearish. It's the SPX. Oh, this one shot up. $50.55. Let's see if it plays out. Shorting everything today. Do have a big range on this one though. The high all the way over here. We probably should have been thinking of longing. With this range being so up high here. 15.99. Bearish though. Oh. Oops. Move this camera a little bit. Oh no, the other way. There we go. Yeah. What is this? The bottle? Oh, bottle of water. took profit here, right? Because we sold, then we bought. Oh, that was the break-even one, I think. Kind of. Nothing has been really tapping into our areas. Here's a pretty clean tap from the swing point here to here, about 50%. Something like that. All right, we'll see which one plays out. Okay, I think we got all the orders in. All the shorts. Could be a bullish day though. I might have it all wrong. But we'll see what happens by tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. This is just how I'm going to be trading this competition. I'm going to place a couple of trades, or maybe one trade on each of the assets. I'm definitely out of my league here, big time. So you know, don't expect me to win this competition anytime soon. Solana, still purple, and Ethereum. Of course, the Ethereum is gonna be more like this. There we go. All right, guys, we'll see how it plays out. All my stop losses, which one gets hit, which ones get profit, and we'll see our results by tomorrow and do another day of this live competition for the leap. Just gonna make sure all my orders are the way I wanted them. I don't want any limit orders though. Sell limit, take profit, stop. On the SPX, let's check it out. SPX. Oh, okay, so we put the, yeah. Could happen sooner than we think. All right, that'll be the trading for the day. We are 50 bucks down in total, but you know, nothing has played out yet, so we'll have to wait and see what our balance is at the end of it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Very boring one, if I may say so. This is not like futures. I'm out of my league. I'm not in my element, but this is why I do this, to get used to it. I'm sure by the end of the competition, I will have learned a bunch. Also, you know, if you have a TradingView account, subscription based, you know, non-free one, then you could possibly join the leap. You know, it's paper money and there are prices. Of course, you have to qualify to get in. You have to meet certain things. I would suggest that when you go to the leap, you go into the not settings, but the terms and conditions right here, which are not like super, because you know they give you the gist of it, but look at the terms and conditions, because you have every single detail of what this competition is about and what the rules and all that. It's not that long to read. It's a, you know, agreement kind of contract type reading. It's a little bit tedious to read, but it's not that long, okay? And it gives you good information, like here, what products you can trade and what the limits are for each trade on each instrument. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.